Today we're going to continue using the circle of fourths to learn our major scales. But now we're going to introduce the second scale degree of each scale. So we'll all play this rhythm, week 2 scale study, and we'll start on B flat together. Now if you'll notice, the second scale degree in any major scale is actually backwards through the circle. So for example, for the concert pitch instruments, if you're starting on B flat, if you go backwards 2 times through the circle, you'll see a C, and that is the second scale degree of the key of B flat. When you move to the key of E flat, if you move backwards twice, you'll see F, and that's the second scale degree of E flat major scale. The B flat instruments will be starting on C, okay? And if they go backwards twice, here's once and here's 2, so they'll go to D. D is the second scale degree of a C major scale. When they move through the circle, they'll be playing F as their new root, and if they go backwards 1, 2, they'll be seeing G as their second scale degree. So it's kind of nifty the way this works out. Let's see, get rid of this stuff, and so on and so forth. If you look down the list there, the E flat instruments, you'll start on G, and your second note will be A. Okay, so now let's talk about the counting of this rhythm, because it's a little more complex than the first week. We have the counting written in below, and if we had a metronome going, we would hear basically 1, 2, and 3, 4 triplet, 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, and a 1, 2 E, a 3, 4. Release on 4. Now I've taken that complex rhythm from the last measure and show the subdivision out there, okay? This is a 16th note. This is an 8th note because it only has one flag, or one stem, beam, sorry. And this is another 16th note. You can see how this compares to here, and there, and there. So the and is understood. 2E, a 3, 4. But you've got to say it in rhythm. 2E, a 3, 4. Almost as if the and, almost as if you're saying the and. You've got to feel the and for sure. 2E, a 3, 4. Okay, let's take a listen to how this exercise would be played with the metronome, okay? Here it is. So here it is. After 8 counts, you'll start in the B flat concert, up to the second scale degree, and you repeat it. Now you move to the new key, E flat concert. It's different note names for all of you, depending on your instrument. 1, 2, and 3, 4 triplet, 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, and a 1, 2 E, a 3, release. 1, new key. This is A flat concert now. So it goes just through the circle of fourths, exactly like this. If you play the exercise, working on your articulation, developing great articulation and great rhythmic skills while you're learning the first 2 scale degrees of every major scale. Hope this was helpful.